Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to do a commission which is one of my favorites, the beach swipe painting. It's going to have the beautiful blues for the ocean and the lovely and nice beautiful beach colors with a couple of metallics in that as well. So to begin with, I'm going to be using a rectangular canvas which is 50 by 20 centimeter, and I've painted the sides of the canvas already. So for the paints, I have mixed 1 part of paint with 2 parts of Floetrol plus a bit of water, and the consistency is not too thick or not too thin, but it will leave a mound and the mound will sink in. For the swipe, I'm going to be using titanium white with Floetrol plus water, which is just a tiny bit thinner than the rest of the paints, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 drops of silicone in each paint except for the swipe titanium white. So I'm going to start by layering the ocean colors first, then I will swipe them, and then I will layer the beach colors, and then I will swipe them as well to get the nice wavy and foamy effect of the water as well. So let's start by showing you which paints I have used, which colors I have used. You can also check the description box below if you want to have a look at what consistency, what colors, what paints I have used. Let's start painting. Happy painting. So this is my 50 by 20 centimeter rectangular canvas, and I've painted the sides only up till where I want the ocean. The canvas is ready. The colors which I have used are, some of them are from Amsterdam, some of them are from Pebeo Studio Acrylics. So this color is turquoise green, green blue, and I have mixed Thaolo blue with a tiny bit of Prussian blue together because this one is a transparent color. Titanium white. Some colors are from Studio Acrylics, Pebeo Studio Acrylics. This is turquoise blue. This is one of my favorites, Cyan blue. A little bit of iridescent blue-green. And the rest of the colors are for the beach. So these colors are Deco Art, dull beige, buff beige, Studio Acrylics, ivory buff titanium, Studio Acrylics from Pebeo, iridescent gold, and from Arteza, the lovely bronze. So some metallics and some non-metallics colors. Also, I have used silicone from Pebeo. So all of these paints are mixed with 1 part of paint with 2 parts of Floetrol plus water to get the desired consistency, and all the paints are ready, so they are ready in a nice beautiful consistency. So let's start painting. I'm keeping my fingers crossed, and I hope this painting comes out really nice. Let's start painting.